come to Orietoyi, and as we have promised you, Nkontitun la mama muwa fun yin is new thing that we will be bringing to you. Why? Because we cannot relent on our promise. Beletimo, in talent promotion, a man discover, develop, and give people a platform to showcase their talent, whatever it may be, singing, dancing, comedy, whatever. So anything, bring it is a talent. Come, we will help you discover, groom, and develop it. And Nisha Koko pass that one. We don't have any other job doing yellow. Our own work in Joy of the Whole Earth is to make people.
In Joy of the Whole Earth talent promotion, we have the auction to function in all nations for transformation by the Almighty Creator. My name is Queen Beke Lulua. Your talent is your individual natural occupational source. Don't neglect it and don't let it waste. Make sure you search what you know how to do best. Your talent lies within your potential, what you love to do, what you have passion for, what you have the flair for. That is where your talent lies. A girl sent a message to me last week. She said it's dancing part of talent. And I was like, so many people don't know that there are different types of talents. Talent does not only have to do with entertainment. Talent are in varieties, be it in the sport, in the politics, in academic, domestic,
whatever. If cooking can be a talent, then why can't dancing be?
Do you also know that your potential can take you farther than you can ever imagine? Take, for example, Bill Gates. I'm sure Bill Gates never knew that his idea, which he used to innovate Microsoft, he never knew that that can make him the most richest man in the world. So your idea is also part of talent, because with your idea, you can innovate something which can bring you forth to the world and make you known.
And do you know that Bill Gates became the world's richest man because he listened to the voice of his talent?
Now let us go for our talent display as we show you a clip. If you don't know where to start from, this will be a cool example of where to start from. Please sit tight and enjoy.
Every morning I go pay this month now 50,000 naira. Now in this board, they're going to tell me about 100 naira. What do you want I want to do for my life? What do you want? I don't know. I've been at the ballon way, carry go feel like they affect my shop.
I beg you, son, in a bad luck, I just drink home. I'm too tired. Oh, wow.
Son, a bad belly, son.
Bambiala, Bambiala.
People find us something.
Bambiala, Bambiala.
On denomination.
Bambiala, Bambiala.
People find us something.
Bambiala, Bambiala.
As you find out, God will bless you.
Madam, good afternoon, ma'am.
Madam, they greet.
Madam, give us now. God will bless you, ma'am.
Your blessing go time.
Yes.
You know, go mind us.
Bambiala, Bambiala.
Osaro, Sajati, Flasha. Now, the two the woman give you be this.
No waiting, give me that. That woman is stingy. See, I said, no see I.
Bambiala,
Bambiala.
Chineke me, can you me that umunda help?
Bambiala, Bambiala.
People find us something.
Oga, good afternoon.
Oga, we greet.
What is good about this afternoon?
Oga, na quarrel.
I don't know.
When I leave my house, I did not pray God to come and see bad luck. I was praying to come and see good things and prominent good people. You come now, leg no get. See, if they cough. This one come now, no get eye. Now come here now. What are you people? Which plan on your from come? If you want to buy something of all this 10 naira, 1 naira, look at all those cargo shop there. You can now go there. Buy what you want to buy there. This is not what I was praying for. Please, you can go there.
So Ghana, for your mind now, you call this shop where we say it be like waiting they use the way they use concrete to build. The way we say they get shop or a quarter, you they call this one shop. I beg, see, this afternoon, not let me insult you. I'll just insult your life now.
Are you talking to me in my shop?
Who you be?
You where they talk, sef, you know this, you know get like, you know complete.
Oga, no man, I beg, you eat ogono, that's time I dey. You visit kind of something.
Fine waiting.
Anything they think.
Me, I know they go beg. I thought maybe you guys wanted to buy something. I don't know that you guys are beggars. Me, I know they go beg for market. I they go buy something. I they go buy something. Come, I know they beg for market. I was expecting prominent people to come and buy something in my shop.
Okay, your mouth sharp. Oh. Wait, your mouth not tap. They put tap inside your mouth. Wait, they run. Your mouth they all they sound like typewriter.
For my shop.
Oh God, now wait to serve.
You don't call this one shop.
They roll like typewriter.
Wait, is it that glass that is stopping you? That glass we wear. Make I wear one. Make you see him. Say see him.
Did you know this one glass? This 7 or bottle wey carry price then as well.
So this one is 7 or bottle.
Okay, you they call eyes. This one are eyes. You wear eyes on top your head, not your eye you wear because your eye don't on top your head.
My head.
See a kite.
So my glass dey my head, Abi. You come to my shop to insult me.
People they grow beer for year. Your own as chest now they grow beer. Go be like monkey. Yellow monkey now you be.
Osaro, you say what you get, you don't fit talk. Let me tell this man something here. Side B, I feel Ojeyo. No stress, Abino. Side B.
Wait, you call me Afi?
No, you like you be Afi.
Now what do you be before? Now you be.
So you guys come here now. You call me. The other one call me Abino. The other one call me Afi. The other one say I get beer for chest. In my shop. This one you no complain, I cripple. This one you know the C road. So you guys have the mind to come right to my front of my shop to come and start insulting me.
Now wait till you be that.
Osaro, you where you get I said, you know sabi see something. Wait oh, Oga, look this face where. Who you be sef? Because person come this your shop wey be like say pack away the paint, now you dey get out.
So you even see, he get now. Give me proof.
Come on, your leg
Give me proof.
the head be like granny stone.
Oh, see. For my shop, you came to break something. Do you know that you guys cannot afford what you're just pouring now?
Wait, you dey speak English.
This one honorary container now.
Wait, Osaro.
Give me man, shoot the mouth. Mona kana balo. Come Mona kana balo. Mona kana balo de go. Come Mona de go. Mona de go.
See here, down.
See them all.
Now bad luck na dey take.
See here like granny stone.
Come, is there one mama born na sacrifice dey do for you?
Wow, selecting. I be. You not be sacrificed. Still, I be. Stingy things can go.
This man and I not tell they take back away this.
If I want to give people money, I'm worried about my shop. It's not for beggars.
Let me tell
it's
you.
for prominent people.
The day when
This one, see the serious she say like
shut
that.
up, let me tell you something.
My leg better pass
The
your
day when they do your naming ceremony, now cassava they share because you too stingy. See as it
So
be.
now I don't say that one say the zero. It's a zero that
The person back you na stingy person.
So you the zero.
Fear. I see you pass how you see yourself. Idiot.
Don't worry, they go meet them as well.
Nonsense. Ooh, that be stingy tea.
My friend, now my brother where they talk with this one.
Oh wow. Now well done.
What do you name it tomorrow? Now which kind of food you don't prepare for tomorrow naming you want to?
Ha! We don't prepare eba. We prepare rice. We prepare amala. Everything there for them to chop tomorrow.
My wife.
We get fried rice for those who like fried rice. Jollof rice even dey safe.
You never get food. You never get food for people when they come to your party. You don't know the thing where people they eat for today. When they hear Ayola Pando Yam, everywhere, every party, now Ayola Pando Yam.
Now so,
I come. Let me, I come. Give them, just taste. Give me one.
okay.
No carry the.
Only one.
Just bring only one.
Now in this.
My people, now the thing be this, Ayola Pando Yam. Go buy yam, cook am, you see.
Ayola Poundo Yam, ready in 5 minutes without the stress of pounding.
Osaro. Wait, who be that idiot?
Na me Susan for village. So if your name na Susan come me say you gonna stop me when I dey do my business. Wetin happen?
No, I dey surprised because na dey do Bambiala. Shut up. So you don't carry your wish. They don't send you. Then the demons. They don't follow you. Make you come find me for Lagos. You said you don't carry your own come.
So you go up, wait till me come stop us on road. Then when I do by me allow, if I slap your mouth, now so aproko, now so it say they start. You know they pass so. Now Bambi allow they do. You dey mad. You know the control, maybe you know the look face where before they talk, before your mouth they run like that. Wait, no be Bambiala they do.
If you see people when they do Bambiala, you no go know.
Abio. Yes, now like this they do now. Keep quiet. This will not be Bambiala. We are doing businesses. Abi.
Not Bambialas.
You know pass so.
The next time for your life, if you see us so dey for our business, then you better pass another place. Or hey, this time we use your eyes see.
I no fit believe say now Saru and his Ikaite be this they do Bambiala for Lagos. Keep quiet.
I don't believe it. I see they tell her, they do the same mistake. I dey tell her for mouth, she say they do the same mistake.
Leave back, I go slap him mouth. Now if you say they run like that. You sweet I go do now. Come on, get her from here. Now don't vex. I dey fly. If you talk enough, I go. Come and get her. Yes. Nonsense. You can't put Sansa for person Gary.
God, wait till this life they turn to like this. Ekaite, Osaru, Bambiala.
Alamajari, Akobadaba, Alamajari. Alamajari.
Hey, glory be to God. I'm not sure say any enjoyment day we person go still feel enjoy for this life past this one. Accountant they go office, they wear tie, they wear suit. Me self I wear correct farm clothes. Then they drink tea and they drink for me. You don't get anything where then they get. We are no get, Gary. Hey, thank God though. I say one day. Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
How your mama leg where she no go anywhere since all this day? How your papa when they lazy when no go farm since all this day? You self you go just the waka up and down. We thank God say all your friends wey una dey do aproko together, they don't go city remain you where you dey waka up and down. I dey hear you.
Well, Baba Ekaite, wetin happen? Wey be say, you just dey insult my parents. Wetin happen?
I no insult your parents now. That one na insult.
Well,
Na normal word.
I no find that one come here. All the way they talk, I no get time for that one. You no even look me for head to toe. See wetin miss for my body.
Hey, whoa, your leg miss or your hand? Wetin miss for your body?
Now my slippers miss for my body. My slippers, you know see. As the matter just dey scratch me for my body. Maybe say my mama cook for house and I tell her say I no fit eat until I come here come deliver this to Baba. Wetin be that pikin?
They ask my head.
I don't forget. Na that talk make me forget. Na that talk make me forget. So Baba Ekaite, you know wetin happen? Make I first drop this paper.
What you say they scratch you? Come back help you scratch am now.
No help me scratch am, no be wetin I dey talk be that. I see wetin I dey talk and that matter e dey hurt me for my body. Wey be say if I never deliver am to you, you go dey pepper me.
I dey hear you.
You know, I tell you last week say I wan go my aunty side for Lagos. Yes. I go, I come see my own friend wey be your pikin.
Congratulations! You say Ekaite, she dey do well.
You no even allow me die before you bury me.
You wan die?
I no tell you say I wan die o. I say me you allow me talk before you answer me.
They talk now, they hear you.
I see Ekaite they do Bambiala.
Hey, I beg him, may you mention my pikin Ekaite where I send go Lagos they do. I send and go Mos. Where should they do Bambiala?
You dey talk as if you no even understand what I talk. I say Ekaite don't turn to fine beggar.
Hey, my pikin they do beggar. Now you go do beggar. Now your mama go do beggar. Now your papa wey no go far wey dey lazy go do beggar. Now your generation go do beggar. Wait oh, you no even tell me say you need money. Ma give you money, may you sef travel go Lagos. Or you say you need money, say you wan buy cloth. May you sef dey wear better cloth as I dey wear am so.
Even though if all of us our family if we do fine beggar, you know say we still fat pass your family. My mama maybe say leg dey pain, she no get work. She fat pass your wife times 10. My papa maybe say you no get work to do. You fat pass, you know say as you live.
Hey, oh Mama Ekaite, beautiful Mama Ekaite, handsome Mama Ekaite, delicious Mama Ekaite, biscuitious Mama Ekaite. Your mama be like Mama Ekaite. Mama Ekaite wey be say she don go sell market now. Your mama dey for house, leg dey pain am. E dey do Bambiala, e dey do everything wey be say na beggy dey do up and down.
Ma buy Ekaete. As I dey come like this, I just dey waka like this. I don dey look and say, wetin do Baba Ekaete when you come lay like this? Poverty don't carry him back. Put for your house. Let me say, poverty wear you clothes, wear you shirts.
Where poverty for my house?
You even put sandal inside.
Poverty carry bag enter my house.
Yeah.
Which time?
He wear you shirt, he wear you trouser.
How they do you for body? I don't ask you before you know answer me. Wait, which time you come here, come see poverty? When poverty carry bag enter my house, we are there here. We are not seeing the poverty. Everybody they house. Even if I go farm, if I come back, they go tell me say, Baba Ekaete, somebody will be say poverty. He don't come inside my house, so nobody tell me anything.
Poverty na person, no be person.
After this place, now after I don't enjoy and finish now, I'll go meet your papa, tell them, say make them carry you go Arrow, make them go check your oblongata, whether something done wrong with you. You say poverty, give me shirt. This shirt where I go buy for market. After I don't sell my cassava, unkobi, isewu, gongo, all the things where they sell, I don't carry them go market, get money to buy clothes.
You see, say na poverty cause am. If poverty no cause am, you go see all your farm products where you get, where you go buy this ordinary this shirt. Don't so that you so tell your eyes don't go inside.
You for don't talk before now. You know say Gary. Now enjoyment be Gary now. We both they drink tea. And they drink palmy.
You see, say poverty no even allow you. Ekaete no send money from Lagos. Give you, may you take back this air.
How you take see my? How you take no say I never buy? It be like say you be
I
win.
blind as I dey come here, abi. See your shoe. See your shoe. See as you live. Poverty don't fight you so tell poverty win you.
Your papa wey dey lazy wey no fit go farm again. He wear any suit, any shoe like this before.
My papa fat pass you now.
He fat pass
you. You know they wear this kind of shoe because my papa no be interest
fatness
like
no be enjoyment.
If I dey go Lagos, I will give you 200 naira. May you take the sustain. See, Ekaete go come. You no get, you no even get money to bury it. You just go throw you for forest. Now forest you go there.
Wait, make I talk. It be like say you don't put hot water for mouth. Where your mouth they dance up and down, they jump, they dance a willow, they dance Atlanta. Wait, make I talk first. You won't give me 200 naira. Make I go do waiting.
When Ekaete no give you money,
wait,
I will give you money.
You get anywhere go. Ekaete go Lagos, you dey village.
Ekaete go Lagos, go dey do fine
your papa no go farm, me I dey go farm, I dey enjoy. Your mama no go. You see now, you see mama Ekaete for house.
Because if Ekaete come this village, he will come carry you and him mama. I will go Lagos, go dey do fine beggar, and I will come down to finance beggars.
Your hand go blind, your body go blind, everything go. Your mama go still blind. Oh, now only leg they pay your mama. If your mama blind now, leg go they pay now. He go they waka like this. He go blind. He go they say Bambiala. It be like say you go come up from this place, Gary.
Queen, do you know that a friend of mine was asking me that what if my mother did not allow me to take acting as my career? And I answered her that I would have started acting at home, because even if it's the spirit of herbalist that enter my body to act, I will just spread clothes on the floor and start acting as an herbalist.
So there, your mom will know that yes, you are really serious about what you want to do. Now it's that segment where you get gifts from our darling sponsor, Ayola Foods Limited. The question for this week. Our winner for last week's question is Ogbonna Gifts. You've won for yourself a carton of Pound Yam. Last week we asked you a question. We asked you to tell us what year did Ayola Foods Limited come into existence. Would you like to tell us the answer?
Ayola Foods Limited came into existence in the year 1991.
Ayola Pound Yam lele yo. Ẹ máa jẹ kí kíni lè ṣẹlẹ̀ kí inú ilé lè máa tòrò kó lè máa dùn. Òun làwa náà ń jẹ rí bí mo ṣe yọkùn. Ẹ máa jẹ ẹ̀yin fúnra ara yín ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé iyán gidi lẹ jẹ.
My bro, ṣebí you sabi am? No be anything o. Na Ayola Pound Yam. Na I make you dey eat o. Na I dey eat and my family. You good for papa, mama and everybody. Ayola Pound Yam. Na number one. Forget.
My people, this Ayola Pound Yam, they chop am o. Honestly, you will enjoy it. I like food so much. Ayola Pound Yam, very good for you.
Ayola Pound Yam, ready in 5 minutes without the stress of pounding.
Ayola Pound Yam,
Wait. Start the man on the drive. Now you know. Let's happen, bro. Like baby, where they put battery. Where they control.
We make her say something. This woman, now maybe we don't forget glass or inside store. Now make it do like this.
I say you don't want to do.
Are you okay?
Now don't even get respect at all. They talk to me like that. Wait till they worry you.
This bread makes sense.
Where you go?
I beg you.
I send you bread since, and you guys are just coming now.
No.
Why?
Oh, cannot be like that, oh. As we dey come now, they notice say this bread dey leak, and I don't know where to cause am.
And bread don't be water. And they tell say my bread dey leak. How come?
Oga, shey you see this bread so wey be say we bring come for you. We dey try to patch this bread since even government pocket sef e dey leak.
I go send you bread, and you come dey hear nonsense news outside. Now they tell me rubbish. Me I be FCC, I no be ICPC, and now they tell me rubbish. Upon say we get correct president when they do correct work, they patch the bucket for us, and as still they come, they talk rubbish.
But Oga, na the nation dey leak.
You better be careful. Don't tell me this rubbish. I'm going to show you nonsense now. Now your papa and your mama feeling now they leak. Idiot. Get up from my side.
Now to the question for this week, and I believe you're with your phone, Andy, because the first correct answer gets the prize. The Senate is the upper house of the National Assembly of Nigeria. Now, I would like you to tell us how many senators do we have in the National Assembly of Nigeria? Send your answer through SMS to the number displayed on the screen. And please don't forget to put in your full name.
Dear viewers, if you are out there and you've not thought of using your talent at all, if you are thinking you are too old or you are too young, my dear, your age does not matter to exhibit your talent. You can exhibit your talent no matter your age, no matter your class, and no matter your race. Till we meet again next week, I remain Jane John Emefienam.
And hi, Queen Becky Lulua. So we'll come your way again. Same station.
Same time.
Next week.
And I'm looking fine, all of my friends. They might wonder why, getting new, the reason behind. In case you wanna know, I'm getting free, and I'm looking fine. Joy of the OS, we are Baba.